Welcome back. In today's explainer, we're diving into a full step-by-step masterclass on the newly expanded power of Claude design. Look, if you've been searching for a way to instantly take your raw ideas and turn them into cohesive websites, slick pitch decks, or even custom motion graphics, you are absolutely in the right place. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First up, the Claude design upgrade. Second, mastering design systems. Third, we're tackling web design and documents. And finally, number 4, custom motion graphics. Let's get to it.
Section 1. The Claude design upgrade, breaking past previous limits. Let's just address the elephant in the room right away, okay? The old constraints. In the past, Claude design was this really cool concept, but it had some strictly enforced usage limits that, honestly, drained unbelievably fast. Plus, you were stuck with just 5 basic templates. It was pretty frustrating if you were trying to be a power user. But now, massive new upgrades have bundled your usage directly into your existing paid Claude credits. That means you can actually use it heavily without hitting a wall immediately. And they've vastly expanded the template library, literally turning it from what felt like a limited toy into a fully usable creative powerhouse. And speaking of that template library, instead of just a handful of basic options, we now have this incredible, surprising variety to choose from. Seriously, you can generate a mobile app design for a meditation app or render 3D objects like a whole isometric coffee shop that you can even export in different 3D asset formats. You can draft HTML emails for a big product launch or map out really complex diagrams for your creative workflows. It immediately gives you a highly structured starting point for, well, almost any kind of creative work you can think of.
Moving on to Section 2, mastering design systems, curing the generic AI look.
Okay, this right here is the absolute anchor of our workflow. Why? Because we have to solve the biggest pitfall of AI design tools, which is generating outputs that just look exactly like everyone else's. So the crucial point is establishing a design system. This is your brand's specific style, your voice guidelines, and your visual assets. It's used as the foundational context to steer the AI away from its default generic tendencies. Building this system is the absolute linchpin of the entire process. If you skip this step, your output will just look like standard AI fluff. But with it, everything you generate is going to be perfectly and consistently on brand.
So let's walk through how incredibly fast you can actually establish this core identity. We're going to invent a fictional brand, an energy drink called Future Fuel. Step 1, we name the brand. Step 2, we upload a single reference asset. In this case, just a basic logo we mocked up. Step 3, we add a tiny bit of context. We simply typed, "We create energy drinks to help fuel up for the AI era." And finally, step 4, we hit generate. Notice we didn't spend hours writing some massive 50-page brand Bible. We literally just gave it a name, an image, and one single sentence. And the results here are genuinely amazing. In just a matter of minutes, Claude automatically extracts and outputs unbelievably deep brand guidelines. I'm talking about iconography styles, precise color palettes, tone of voice, ideas for hero product shots, even custom monograms and word marks. It built an entire consistent design language from just one logo and a single sentence. Now, obviously, you can manually tweak any of these, but this instantly gives us a cohesive brand universe to play around in. All right, Section 3, web design and documents, execution and iteration in action. Now that we have our really powerful Future Fuel design system totally locked in, let's put it to work and generate some actual deliverables. Let's start by building a cohesive multi-page website. We instruct Claude using our new design system to create a home, shop, ingredients, and about us page. But here's the cool part. Claude doesn't just blindly guess. It intelligently asks clarifying structural questions right off the bat, like how should the 4 pages be structured? And it even offers different layout variants, like A, B, or C for the Heroes section. Once you answer, boom, it instantly generates the site, complete with interactive elements like functioning shopping carts and flavor toggles. You can even drop in a custom looping video and ask Claude to replace the hero background with it. It perfectly adapts to your brand guidelines on the very first shot.
But look, we all know design is never perfect on the first try, right? Which means iteration is key. Claude is definitely not just a one-shot generator. You can select elements and make precise inline text, font, and spacing edits directly on the mockup itself. Or if you're feeling stuck and looking for some inspiration, you can use the brilliant Tweaks panel. You just ask Claude to add a bunch of different tweaks for you to experiment with across the site, and it will actually force the AI to suggest new colors, shapes, and creative layout experiments that you might never have thought of on your own. And once your mockup looks absolutely flawless, you'll want to bring it to life. This is where you move into the full power of code to build toward deployment. This seamless technical handoff is incredibly straightforward. You just click share, and from there, you can either copy the prompt to paste right into Claude Code or simply download a zip file to use as your project base. Once you've done that, you can connect your backend databases, build in Stripe for taking payments, and really get your site ready for the real world.
And let's move to and see how this builds out across other formats. Because your design system is saved, you can effortlessly scale that exact same look across the rest of your business. You can instantly generate pitch decks on how Future Fuel solves the lack of energy for the AI era, and then seamlessly export those editable slides directly into a Canva connector to finesse them further. You can even ask it to generate retail invoices in legal forms that automatically pull in your exact fonts, colors, and logos. Everything matches your identity instantly.
Moving to our final part, Section 4, Custom Motion Graphics, the game changer feature. We're pivoting now to what is arguably the most surprising and powerful feature of this entire update. Here's a question for you. How do you create perfectly synced custom motion graphics without ever opening video editing software? If you've ever tried to make visual explainers, you know this is literally one of the most tedious, time-consuming tasks in all of content creation. Well, this new update just completely solved it.
Here is the magical step-by-step workflow. Step 1, you give it a simple prompt and paste in your video transcript with timestamps. Now, quick pro tip for you here. If you don't have those timestamps handy, just drop your video into an AI like Gemini first to quickly grab them and then paste them right back into Claude. Step 2, you literally just instruct Claude where to leave blank visual space for your talking head. And step 3, you hit generate. Claude builds a perfectly timed, fully animated MP4 that you can drop directly into your video project. It syncs the visual actions precisely to when you speak the words in your transcript. It's wild.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how you actually iterate on these animations. You don't have to navigate complex keyframes or mess around with timeline layers. You just use natural language editing. If you're watching the playback and something is just slightly off, you just type. At 30 seconds, turn most person icons green, or move the overlapping arrow slightly to the right. You can even drop in a screenshot to show Claude exactly what you're talking about. You are refining complex vector animations simply by talking to the AI, like it's a human video editor sitting right next to you. Which brings us to a final provocative thought to leave you with today. With AI now effortlessly managing complex design systems, generating interactive coded websites, and even syncing custom motion graphics, what technical barriers actually remain for bringing your next big idea to life? The tools are really no longer the bottleneck. The only limit now is your imagination. I hope this explainer has shown you just how much power you now have right at your fingertips. Dive in, build those design systems, and get creating. Thanks so much for joining us.